Buying a used car is already pretty stressful, and when you want to see one, when you go to see one, you oftentimes will let yourself impressed by the appearance, by the paint and cleanness. But there is a few things that you should perhaps check on a Volvo 2001-2009 S60 XC90 XC90. There are 3 or 4 things that are really quick to check, and I recommend you do so when you look for a car to buy. Grab a small plastic like this, or sometimes you may use a glove also, and we are going to check if the oil was regularly changed. We are going to check the PCV system, and we are going to check the timing belt. For the timing belt, usually we'll have a cover like this, but it's really easy. Just unclamp this thing, lift a little bit that cover, and pose this cover away, and look with a flashlight at the belt and see if it's cracked or not. 100,000 miles and need replaced. The genuine one may go to pretty far away and will still look good, but aftermarket ones will have crack on them. So that's a job. It's not really expensive. Let's just fire up the engine. So now with the engine running, undo the cup. Don't be worried, won't spray oil or something. And look under the cup. If you see thick deposits, thick sludge here, crust or stuff like this, it means maybe they didn't really change the oil, or they used a cheaper oil. Maybe it's not so bad, depends how thick it is. If it's really thick, skip that car, don't buy. And now to check the PCV, use a plastic bag and just cover the cover, cover the hole, and see if it's sucking in. Make sure it's sealed here and see if it's sucking in. It's pretty expensive on turbo cars. On non-turbo it's a little bit less expensive, but it's still a good job. Quite a few $100s, maybe, depends. The garage will ask you 5, 6, 7, depends on the garage. So you may want to negotiate. Many of these PCV systems are being neglected. They don't replace them, and that may cause issues, may start leaking here at the cam seals, and that's even a bigger job. So look also maybe for oil down there, but that's harder to see. But if you see it's really not sucking it, you may want to skip that car or just think about that repair. Finally, step inside the car and look at the left side. If you have the read button, it means you are able to read a little bit if there are problems or codes with the modules inside the car. Some of these modules are pretty important because they are pretty expensive to repair, so you want to know about them. So start with a blank display, make sure there's nothing on it. Keep this guy depressed, and then depress 2 times quickly on it, on the fog button. It's really a matter of speed actually. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not, but it's really a matter of just trying a different speed actually.